So we start off with our first hair transformation. She has mid-length hair. Ooh, wow, I love the color combo, so pretty. And then we move into our next big hair change. So she's gonna be getting a Hailey Bieber inspired style, going shorter with more of a bob. So what the stylist is saying is that it is a style that comes from around the jawline, and it offers up a lot of styling options because of the length. And the technique that he's doing with the round brushes is perfect for giving the hair lots of height and volume. I love what he did here with the bangs. Incredible. She looks like perfection with her bob haircut. Very nice. And then we have a Pixie wolf cut. Now, I've actually never seen what a Pixie wolf cut is before, so this should be rather interesting. Okay, so it's kind of like a baby mullet or shullet haircut, a mix between a shag and a mullet. Definitely playing into that kind of mullet trend. This is also what we like to call the anime inspired hairstyles, which are actually trending right now, especially because of TikTok. We're seeing a lot of anime inspired styles. All right, so let's see what the stylist ended up coming up with. Oh, wow, looks just like the picture. Such a cute style. Now this would be great if you're looking for something a little bit more modern and edgy. Now, if you guys have been enjoying any of these hairstyle ideas featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, I'm going to leave you with these last two hair transformations.